Hi, I'm Cameron with Langer Systems. In this video, we'll be covering how to set your limit switch hard stops on both sides of the Y-axis and the hard travel stop on the X-axis. This machine was designed with built-in auto-squaring of the gantry. If your machine binds during a collision, the auto-squaring feature allows the gantry to be brought back into square with a simple homing operation. During assembly, we made sure to square the frame, and so the frame will serve as a good reference point for our gantry squaring procedure. To start the process, manually adjust your gantry towards the rear of the machine until the felt wiper clamping plate is contacting the tip of the rod end bearing mount. Visually confirm this by inspecting both sides. With the gantry in place, adjust your limit switch hard stop screw inward. You will hear the switch engage at a certain point by a clicking sound. Continue adjusting until the back surface of the metal limit switch arm just touches the limit switch body. Because we currently have our gantry positioned against the hard stop, we can ensure our switch is not damaged due to over travel by carefully setting the stop. Next, carefully tighten the jam nut while keeping the screw fixed. Repeat this process on the opposite side in the exact same way. This standard machine squaring procedure should be a sufficient means for achieving good part accuracy on a CNC plasma machine. If you require further precision, please watch our video on how to use a test cut coupon to further refine the adjustment to your needs. In the next step, we will be setting the hard stop screw on the X-axis gantry tube. You will only need to set the X-axis hard stop for the left side, as there is an integrated stop on the right. In addition to hard stops, the CrossFire XR also incorporates soft limits to further protect your machine against damage caused by over travel. Where a hard stop is an actual physical contact point, a soft limit is written into the fire control software, which establishes travel boundaries to prevent your machine from colliding with the frame. This redundancy has been engineered into our system to achieve the highest possible performance standards. Begin by positioning the Z-axis assembly near the right upright. Continue adjusting the Z-axis until the guard makes contact. Next, manually adjust the Z-axis away approximately 1/8 of an inch by turning the X-axis ball nut in the rear of the assembly. With the guard properly situated, adjust the hard stop screw until it is touching the assembly. This hard stop will serve as a physical barrier to protect the guard from colliding with the upright. Last, tighten the jam nut. This concludes the limit switch hard stop location procedure.